Hello, this is Tyler from Dynoing Crankshafts. Today we are working on a diesel 3.0 Dodge Ram. One of the rods had a spun bearing, which made the rod out of round. Well, I didn't clear at 10. We don't know if it's cleared at 20 either. Let's just see what it is. We brought it 20 under. Unfortunately, the grinding didn't round off the rod enough to fix the scarring, and we couldn't bring it any lower because nowhere supplied this crank's bearings 30 under. So in order to fix this problem, we had to add material to the crank by welding over the rod. At the end of the process, the crank came out great, and Big Joe's Auto Shop was happy to receive this.
We're working on a square body Ford 4-wheel drive truck, a 350 on Windsor that we're building. It's gonna be around 400 horsepower. Has a set of aluminum heads, 10-to-1 compression. It came to 224, 236 at 50. So it should be a good all-around running piece with a Performer RPM type intake manifold.
What was the horsepower?
It's 381 horse and 425 foot-pounds of torque. So let me see what the mixture was. It's too lean. It's almost like it wants a smaller air blade and a bigger jet. It wants a rev higher. I'm only revving it to 5,000, but it's going to want more fuel for first. It's going to want more fuel, but I think I want to shrink. I want to see what the air bleed is in the high speed and maybe shrink that down so it gets more of a siphon. Take a look. Oh. This one?
Yeah.
It's like tiny. This one is big.
Ow.
This one is tiny.
Rear blades. Yeah.
This one is small. This one, they put the wrong one in or something. See what that is? That could be screwing things up. Start off with a small one. I'll make another pull and then I'll change the jets. It was supposed to be a 28,000 toll, and I'll tell you what it is.
Huge.
It's huge.
90,000.
It's like you're trying to suck fuel out of a straw with this huge hole in the side.
Oh, jeez.
That's what this is. So there, it's this size right here. So that's a 52. A 52 is a 63 hole.
And it's supposed to be what?
It's supposed to be 28.
Jesus.
Yeah, so that means that would flow like 5 times as much. So yeah, you're not gonna. One of the Venturas was sucking no fuel. It's going straight up now, 429 foot-pounds of torque.
391, you said?
Yeah, but I have to rev it up higher. It's going like straight up now. Let me see the air fuel now. Now the air fuel is, it might have to be richened up a tinge, like 2 sizes. Going back, it's like 13.6 to 1. But let's turn it up higher now. Getting lean now. It's getting lean toward the end. We gotta put some fuel in. That's weird. It's almost like it was running out of gas. Okay, so we'll go up with jets. Alright. See how it shot up before?
Yeah.
13.7. It's still going up. It wants me to rev it higher. I'd rather not.
Yeah.
I'd rather not, only because it's a KS crank. It's going to keep going probably to 6,000. I mean, we could take it to 57.
Good pull or bad pull?
Good. It's 421.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah,
the
it's
torque?
350. It's 350 cubic inch.
Okay, what's the torque though?
Torque is 429 foot-pounds.
Wow. Nice.
Wheel pressure is good. It starts off at 65. It ends at 65.
All right, though.
Staying put.
I just wanted to say thank you to Lorenzo for doing this. Me and my dad started on this last year. This is a 351 Windsor, which is going in a Ford 1988 F-250.
It's a bad little motor. It's gonna be a great motor to put in this truck. I know we got a couple years before he gets to drive it, but it's definitely it's a work in progress, and I just thank you very much, Lorenzo, for everything you did.
I'm so excited about this 351 Windsor truck. I love these square bodies, and the guy's putting it back together with his son. It's a really great project. It made 420 some horse, 430 foot-pounds of torque. It should be a real blast to drive around.
Alright, show me. Tell me how we straight.
Alright, so you gotta put these placeholders so the crank can't move. You gonna help me out, man? You got tickets to watch or something?